Good morning, everybody. Tuesday, 10th of December. Let's put everyone on the NQ on my trading view screen. You guys watching on YouTube should be able to see the main screen. So it is Tuesday, and another day, another dollar, so to speak. I think it's Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. I lose track with the weeks and the days. I got a busy week this week, moving house. So lots of stuff going on, which is super exciting. But more importantly, let's discuss where we are on the NQ and for today. And super technical. Every day it amazes me how technical the markets are. Even I feel like I'm going to be saying the same thing even in 10 years' time. But where are we? So I haven't changed anything from yesterday. Looks like someone else is moving as well. Another moving van just came up to our house. Huge fan. I haven't changed anything from yesterday. So yesterday's draws are the same as what we had yesterday. The only difference is I basically played the long. So that long, which is what I played off yesterday, is all I did on the overnight. And just look at the consolidation we had on the overnight session after yesterday's completion. So yesterday's completion was 11 o'clock. Hope you guys can all see that. And then what did they do? Consolidate until 5 o'clock in the morning, and then ATR bar up, retest of that ATR high, and it has been off to the races since. So I'm going to break it down to more of a granular view, but I just want to show you like how simple the markets are when you really just take a step back and probably take a lot of things off your chart. But we had multiple long completions, all in all of this move, right? Negative 100s all the way up. We then had a look above fail, an anchor high, an anchor low, a 50% retrace on the open. Again, key here. You keep hearing me say on the open for the past couple of days now, these moves are being participated on the open, so you don't have to worry about being in these trades necessarily on the overnight session. I have a tendency of sometimes trading the overnight session just because I can see certain levels, like here, for example, hence why I longed this morning. But you can see here, you had your halfway back, right? What does it do? It trades the negative 23. It trades the negative 62. These are profit target levels. It trades the negative 100. What do we look at when we see a negative 100 completion? Guys who have taken the masterclass, or girls as well, you should know the answer, right? You should know the answer. What do we do when we hit a negative 100? Well, what is conducive or likely, right? And that move from that 50 is a huge 200-point move. So again, what do we do at those levels? Again, you guys know, right? That 38% retracement that I traded yesterday comes from, and again, I know I've gone over this already, but that comes from the traditional that traded on the 27th of November. That halfway back, let me just get rid of this a second. I do want all those back on my screen, but just for illustration purposes, that halfway back is the low to the high of the 25th of November. And again, the open high. 50% goes all the way to its negative 62. That high to high trades the 38 all day yesterday. That's the level we're looking at. And that level coincides with a negative 100 short. Like, it doesn't get any more technical than that. Let's put all those back on. There we go. So that's where your anchor high comes from on the 25th of November. This becomes your support. Again, you wait for the high to get put in. You wait for the support to build. You wait for the shorts to complete. You wait for everyone to get their ass handed to them. And then you take your shot. And what did we have this morning, guys? What did we have this morning? A beautiful, this is textbook. Those who have got the masterclass, this is textbook. Textbook 79% fade long. Again, it doesn't get any more easier than this. Where's my percentages? This is your 79% fade long. 1, 2, 3, 4 half an hour candles. That's a 2-hour consolidation. ATR bar up. completion of the negative 23, negative 62, retest back down into the highs from the same anchor plus the ATR low or ATR high, and you have a how many point rally from there? And again, that is a 40-point rally, and I'm almost certain, look at this for your accuracy. That's my pivot. This is the actual pivot high from the anchor. Low, high. This is your 79% fade long. 1, 2, 3, go. And it retests that level. I mean, look at this. I can't even make this shit up. It's the exact low. The exact. Like, I can't even show you a wick because it's the exact level. Insane, right? Insane. And again, what is that? What level is that? It's the anchor high of the 79% fade long. That is your break and retest. Again, it really does not get any more easier than this, right? And then you ATR up on the open. I don't know. It's just crazy. It's crazy. I am very, very close to quite a large payout on my Topstep account. So because I traded them on the overnight session, I have personally locked myself out. But I am going to be trading my personal account and one other evaluation account that I have. I already have some actually backed up as well. XFA accounts that are ready to go if and when I do need them, but there's no point me I can't trade them because I already have 5 XFAs. But yeah, just to be transparent, I've made a little bit of money, not loads, like $2,000 on the overnight session, and I'm ready for like a 10k payout on tomorrow or Thursday. I can't remember the day, but either way, and it's going towards my new car. So I want to just make sure I trade a little bit more, sensibly over the next couple of days. So just shoot for those home runs, base hits, $200, $300 a day. And then, yeah, just so you're aware. So again, if I hadn't locked myself out at 7 or 8 o'clock this morning, after this really nice move, you bet I would have been taking that long. I took most of this move, but this is a real nice break and retest. So beautiful, beautiful. I will be looking to see if we can get some longs in here. I would like, a gun to my head, I would like a retest of that level, but with it being so picture perfect, I'm not sure if we'll get it, but I will kind of see if this becomes a level of interest. At the same time, there is nothing stopping us coming back down to this 38%, right? Which is the same level from yesterday. This is your 38% support level, which we traded yesterday to the upside, and I traded all this morning to the upside. So again, that can be your 1, 2, 3 go. So I will still have 470s on my radar for a potential entry. That is it for the morning breakdown. I will upload this to YouTube, and you guys watching on Zoom, I will transfer over to my Tradeovate account where you can see me take my trades live.